All right, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Zay back again, making another video. Today I'm going to be changing out the side markers on my car. Finna add some LED side markers, so yeah, see how that goes. So right here we're going to be changing out these side markers to LEDs. That's what we're going to be working on today. I'm going to show you guys the process. For the front LED side light, it's actually pretty simple. You don't have to unscrew like what most YouTube videos tell you to do. You just gotta push that up. That comes out. Let me make sure I get it out actually. And you just gotta. Alright, YouTube, so I got my little makeshift setup. I used the T15 torch bit to remove that screw. Pop this bulb out. Now I'm finna add in a new one. Got it right here. So basically, take this bulb out. Yeah, that goes right there. Cool. Take that bulb out, place it somewhere safe. I'm keeping all these bulbs, man. Alright. Just gonna plug this in. Then I go right in like that, actually. So I had to take a quick pause. During this time, you can clearly see I'm struggling to put this in, so that's all that's really going on here. Perfect, put that back in. Put that back in like that. Alright, might have to just loosen up a little bit to get that paper piece off. It's fine. Perfect. Got that in. Alright, yeah, YouTube. So this is what it looks like. I got one side in. This is what it looks like on the other side. So basically, I'm gonna repeat the same process on this side, and the back is a little bit different. I don't have the piece that attached to the ratchet, so I'll probably have to lift my car up and take off my tire, which will suck, cause yeah, I got a wheel lock, so I gotta take all that off. So yeah. Other than that, it looked pretty nice. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so I got the LED light set up on the, well, LED side marker set up on the front of my car. They look really good. Yeah, they're nice. Now I just gotta change out the back, which again, I'm gonna have to take off my tire. So yeah, let's see how this goes. All right, YouTube, quick update. So I had to take off my tire. Got my car on the jack right there. I unscrewed the screws for the T15 and I added it in. This is what it looks like on the back side. Let me start it up real quick. Yeah, that looks way better. I still haven't done the other side yet, so this is still red, but don't worry, we're gonna get this fixed up nice and good. So yeah, I'm finna lower that side and come work on this side. Whew. But before I lower, I'm finna put my wheel back on, put my wheel locks back on, so yeah. All right, y'all. So I'm loosening up the lug nuts. Got almost all of them off. So I'm finna take them off and I'm finna remove this tire and show you how I did it on this side. So yeah. All right, so I popped this piece of plastic out. Let me get my flashlight up in here. I'm doing this at nighttime actually, so yeah. See right there. There's a little tab right there that you're supposed to hit. I'm just gonna hit it because I know where it's at. I did this a couple times. Yeah, the other side. There you go. Hit that tab. That tab and it pops right out. So basically from here on out, all you have to do is turn the light back on for you. Pop this out. Twist this piece right here to the left. Twist that to the left. Then this should come out. There you go. Perfect. Pop the light bulb out. I recommend keeping the original bulb and the original pieces just in case this doesn't work. You know, hope for the best, but you know, you never know. Not everything works nowadays. So it's pretty much plug and play. You take this piece, you stick in the LED into where you just turn it in. So this is pretty vital. Make sure when you put this in that you close it back so water, condensation, everything don't get up in there. Might be a little bit of a tight squeeze. So you put that back in there. Actually, it's cool. Boom. Put that back in there. I think that's right. Let's see. Yeah, that comes out. Yeah, that's right. All right, perfect. All right, so pull the plastic up towards you. Pop it right back in. Hear that click. Now we're going to test it out. Grab my car keys. Yeah, that's way better. All right, so the job's complete. All I have to do is tap my tire off. I'm going to put the T15s back in right there. Yeah, I'm going to put the T15s back in. All right, so I just finished installing it. Quick little demonstration so it's bright. Yep. So basically I'm gonna add back in the T15s right there. Right there, put my tire back on, lower the car, and it's good to go.